Hello everyone and welcome to MBAP. In this video, we are going to talk about the goof ups that student can do in the CMAT exam. Because understand, as a faculty, this really feels bad when I see someone, a student of mine who has given a lot of efforts, taken a lot of efforts, but on the day of exam, he does some 2-3 basic level goof ups, okay, and because of which his entire paper is gone. Okay. So I'm going to share these goof ups with you guys that you are very well aware that tomorrow when you go for your exam, these things you should not be doing. Okay, you should not be doing these things. So watch this video to the very end because it's going to be really helpful for you tomorrow. Okay, before I go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel, okay, and also follow us on Instagram for regular updates. Now, if I have here, okay, I have two basic level points, and then it is more of the exam taking strategy. So the basic level points obviously is, please take care that you have taken a printout of all the pages. Okay, there are a lot of instructions this time, so read through all the instructions. Okay, is there anything that is for you which you have not done? Okay, COVID situation is going on, definitely take care of the COVID precautions. Okay, because you're getting into gathering. So these are basic level points, but even if you don't take care of these, okay, there I've seen this in the past that when you go there at the center, the gatekeeper is going to catch hold of you because of you not having printouts all the pages. So these are certain things that can unnecessarily create problems. So make sure that these two basic level things, okay, are done. Now here I'm going to talk about the exam taking strategy. I see that people do a lot of flukes, okay, when it comes to CMAT exam, because CMAT is considered to be a easy exam, and then the negative marking is just minus 25%. So people think that the negative marking is less. That means I can still take some chances. And I agree that you can take some chances, but this is the problem. Okay, this is the goof up that is happening with a lot of people in the past. That because of these things that okay, the negative marking is less, so I can take chances. They take a lot of such chances. Okay, so you should know that how many questions are you doing smart flukes, and here I'm saying that maximum 10% of your attempt, okay, 10% of attempt should be your smart flukes. Let's say if you're attempting around 70 questions, okay, so 63 should be literally genuine. Okay, a maximum should be 7 of your smart flukes. Okay, random flukes, a big no for it. Okay, don't do it, because end of the day, from the total you're going to have a -5 which is there, because you're going to lose on the +4, and then you're losing one more mark, so you're losing -5 technically if you see. So I would say that smart fluke, okay, maximum for 10%, okay, of your attempt, not more than that. Because I've seen many times when I see students coming back when their results are there in hand, and they see that sir मेरा verbal की वजह से बहुत कम हो गया, मेरा वो GK की वजह से बहुत कम हो गया, and why is the reason, what is the reason for it? Okay, the reason for it is that sir I felt ये आंसर होगा, मैंने मार्क किया, सर मेरे सारे फ्लूक गलत चले गए. ठीक है, सो कभी भी स्मार्ट फ्लूक जो भी करने वाले, डोंट कीप इट मोर देन 10% गाइस. ओके, time management, because there's a lot of time here. Okay, there's a lot of time. There's people I see many a times they do some goof up with the time management part. Okay, in my video yesterday on my channel, I have updated it that 15 minutes for GK, okay, followed by 50 minutes for logic, okay, then 10 minutes that you can give for vocabulary, and the rest 105 minutes for cons and the remaining VA part. So this is what I told is going to help you in terms of time management. If you have practiced out something else, okay, that is working out for you, stick to that. It's not that you have to stick to this part, but stick to that, okay, that is working out for you. But make sure that you are keeping a tab on the reverse clock, because on top right hand side of the screen you will see the clock ticking backwards. Okay, so you should keep a tab on the reverse clock. Okay, that is also very important. Many times people just out of the easy questions, okay, in the flow, they just don't look at the time. Okay, that should not be the case. Now focus on section wise performance and overall accuracy, because understand, though it is -25%, accuracy matters a lot here. Okay, and that's why I'm saying that focus on section wise. Okay, because you will see that certain section is going to be more easier for you, so you should sprint up on that. You should score the maximum in that section. So look at your performance for each of these sections. Okay, don't look at the overall performance, look at the section wise performance, because if your section wise performance is good, your overall performance will definitely be taken care of. GK is an area where a lot of people face challenge, okay, because they think that, okay, let me at least, I think that this is the answer, I've read it somewhere, okay, and understand the same thing. The minimum accuracy that you should have is 90%. If you are attempting 10 questions, you should be sure of 9 questions are right. Do not play with those 4-5, flukes also here, because this 4-5 -5 question that is going to happen. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, don't have any random flukes at all, be it GK or whatever section. because these are the two areas where I've seen people doing goof up a lot, okay, in terms of their accuracy, in terms of the fluke, and in terms of the time management. So make sure that tomorrow when you sit down, okay, in your exam, keep these three things in your mind, okay, that MBAP channel has given you, that do not get into the random flukes part, the time management bluff, okay, and the accuracy part. These things you have to take care of tomorrow. Don't goof up on these three things, okay? So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please like it, share it with your friends who's going to give CMAT exam tomorrow, so that maximum people are getting help from this. All the best.